Come join me on this crazy adventure, how I find out how food really makes it onto your plate. Pulling into Taha'a for a legendary ingredient, Tahitian vanilla.
Hey, Yorana, David.
Ah, nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Deva. My name is Deva.
Deva. All right, very cool. Are you guiding me to the vanilla today?
Exactly. Taha'a is a vanilla island.
So are you from Taha'a?
I'm from Taha'a.
Your whole life?
Whole life. It's my family farm.
This is your family farm that we're going to.
Yeah.
So they took the Madagascar vanilla and the Mexican vanilla and they crossbred them.
Exactly.
And that's the Tahitian vanilla.
Yeah. Haute security, yeah? Haute security. Allez.
So this is what we're going to pollinate, and these are the beans right here.
Exactly. He need to cut one piece of wood for pollinate the flower.
All right.
In Madagascar, you have this insect for pollinate natural.
Okay.
But in Polynesia, he need to pollinate manual by hand.
I think this is a great point.
Perfect.
All right. And I'm going to take some pollen from one flower and go put it on another flower?
No.
No.
The flower is hermaphrodite, the same flower.
While pollinating vanilla flowers, I had to be exact and efficient. The clock is ticking. If the flowers aren't pollinated within hours of blooming, they die.
I open.
Whoa.
You see that? I open. I take the pollen on the top, the yellow parts, and I put in the pouch and down.
Underneath.
Now I show you the flower.
Oh my goodness, that was amazing. That was amazing. Like a pure lesson in botany. I have to lift this up, right?
Oui.
With this?
With that.
Okay, wait a second. That's nerve-wracking here. Okay, here we go. Is that it?
Yeah, c'est dedans.
You think I got it?
Hop.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. That was crazy. That was one of the most stressful things I've ever done in my life. It's like surgery. It's like surgery. It's like, I don't know, eye surgery. It's teeny. But I got it in. I got it in the pouch. I thought we were just going to pollinate, but he has some vanilla beans that are ready to harvest. Look at this. You see where it's going to go. You see that dry, sticky, smelly. Oh, it already smells, you guys. It already smells. I need some dry ones to bring back to chef.
Okay.
This is the gold. This is the good stuff
gold,
right
black
here.
Gold.
Beautiful. Wow, it's sparkling. Well, this has been an amazing day. I pollinated and picked Tahitian vanilla.
For your first time, it's good.
For our next ingredient, we have just pulled over to the side of the road, and they're lying here, waiting. Coconuts.
First, you take the coconuts. You check the coconuts.
This one's good.
That the sound is good.
Okay, so what's the next step? What's that?
Marlin.
Oh my. You know, we almost got a marlin the other day. But this is the sword of a marlin. This is the nose of a marlin. And you use that to break open the coconut. All right, show me.
You turn the cocoa.
This is one of the coolest things I have ever seen in my life. Amazing. This looks like a good one.
Call the hospital.
This isn't a good start here.
What's that?
I see it.
Très bien.
Ah!
If you look, it's easier.
Come here. Oh, man. Voila, baby.
Eyes here, the line here.
Oh! Oh, that's wonderful. All right, now let's see if I can do it. Okay. It's a very hard. Oh! Oh, there we go.
Voilà.
I want to see that. Oh! When you do it yourself, it's a little sweeter. This is made for coconuts,
Oui.
to make coconut milk. Wow. That's good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Didn't come easy, but we got the milk for Chef.